Hey, what's up? So we're going to be taking a look at a case for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. And so I'm really impressed with this device so far. I definitely think it has a nice thin form factor to it. I got the gray color, so it looks really nice with the accented sides, differentiating it from the back and the front cover. So it's got this really nice anthracite gray on the sides. It has the nice little light gray on the back, and the camera has that same color on the sides as it does on the back, so it's going to look really different from a lot of the other ones that they're selling, because this is one of the new colors. So I definitely think this is a solid looking phone. But I want to do some protection on here. I want to actually put some protection on here. So I got this case from VRS, and so this is the case that I actually purchased right here. And this is going to be a solid case. It comes in a matte or it comes in a clear, and I got the clear one. So what it offers, this is going to offer you the tempered glass screen protection. You're also going to get the hinge cover, and it's going to also be the Simpli Fit crystal design from VRS, my bad. And so it's going to be a slim case. It's going to be about $39, but you're going to get 10% off at the checkout. So it's going to be a solid experience. And so what you're getting is a really stylish case that's going to show off the back of the phone. It says advanced perfection, full hinge protection cover, extra design, which is slim, and then the utmost protection. And so, basically this case is going to be pretty solid. It also comes with tempered glass to cover it on the front. So let's go ahead and take a look at this VRS case right here. I'm definitely looking forward to testing this case out for my Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, make sure you hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. Let's go ahead and cut open the VSR design case. And this is the Simpli Fit right here, like I said before. So it's going to be a really nice case overall. The Simpli Fit crystal is going to offer you a nice protection. And so let's go ahead and unbox it. It's got the social media and the websites that you could look at. So make sure you pause that so you can take a picture of it. And then it says right here, premium phone case series, established in 2004, designed for your mobile life. And it's a nice white box. This box is actually pretty premium. Let's go ahead, cut it open. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside the box when we're taking a look at this case. I definitely am kind of excited to check it out. So right here, you're greeted with the case itself on the front. You actually get two pieces. So you get this piece, then you get the screen protector right here. Then you get the second piece right here. So it's going to be three different parts. And this is an actual really solid part about it. It has a nice solid plastic material, very heavy duty when it comes to this material. It's not going to be flimsy. It's definitely going to be a really solid material. So this actually feels very sturdy. And the hinge design is actually locked in with the different with precision. You can see right here they added these little hinges on the hinge cover. So it's gonna have the VSR design on there right there. So that's gonna look really, really premium. And so it does have these stickers right here that you could pull off. But if you plan on using different cases, you could just leave it like that. You don't have to take them off, because once you pull this off, it's basically going to stick to anything that you put it onto, unless you plan on keeping it there. So this is the step 2. Make sure you install step 1 first. This is actually step 1, it says right here. So this is what we're going to do first. We're going to open up this box, this packaging, and it has a pull open thing right here on the bottom, or you could rip it. I prefer to just pull that out like that. And then you're going to be greeted with the front, which is going to actually have that pull thing. So I'm going to take those off too. And then you get this thing right here, which is like good for peeling off dirt from your screen. So nice presentation, actually. So the first thing they recommend doing is the step 1. So it's basically the front installation, double-sided tape, fitting installation. So it's saying that you want to first install the front, then remove the tape. Then it says right here for the back guide as well. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's go ahead, peel this off. Let's put that right on the front. All right, so that locks into place really nice. And you can see right here, it's gonna give you all the cutouts at the top. So you get the microphone cutout, speaker cutout on the bottom as well. Let's go ahead, put the back part in. And that just fits really, really good. And it's just protecting it very nicely. I'm gonna actually remove the sticker from off of the back part. So as far as taking it off, it comes off pretty decent. Like, it comes off pretty easy. I'm gonna remove the sticker right here and then put that right back on. So you can see right here, this is what the hinge looks like when the phone is open. And it just kind of protects the back from falling. And then this is a very sturdy. A lot of the cases with hinges, this thing would be super flimsy. This thing actually is very solid when it comes to the overall like feel of it. Like, you actually have to put some pressure to open this up. So I really like that part. It doesn't feel cheap. And so let's see, right here is your step 2, which is basically the tempered glass. And this is the part that is important if you don't want to get your screen all messed up from scratches. Let's say you put it in a bag and you don't know what's inside that bag. So this is the tempered glass. It's a very skinny piece of glass. And then you also do get this thing right here, which is a cleaning kit. Let's go ahead, open this up. It's gonna have your alcohol prep pad. It's gonna have the sticker, the remover for dust. So you can have both of these. You can have the alcohol prep pad and the sticker to clean it off. You might want to wipe it off with the alcohol prep pad first, and then use the sticker right after that, just to make sure there's no dirt on there. And then you're going to go ahead, grab your tempered glass, and there's a peel part right there. So you're going to put that right over top of the phone case and just sit it dead center in the middle and just let that kind of absorb into the display. And so once it absorbs, it's already like, there's no bubbles on here. It's pretty much absorbing very fast. And because of the clean and prep pad, there's no dirt underneath it or bubbles. So you just wait for it to absorb on the display completely. And now you're getting a very nice protected Z Fold 5 right here. So as far as the protection on the back, you can see the camera cutouts do have a very pronounced protection. You have the open in for your fingerprint. So if you touch that, you're easily going to unlock it. The volume rockers are still going to be pretty easy to get to. You have to kind of put your fingernail there and it will lower and decrease the volume. And so it feels pretty sturdy. It doesn't feel too bulky, but it definitely feels good in the hand. So I'm definitely going to recommend this case, and I'll make sure I leave a cheap link down below so you could pick one up for yourself. I definitely like the fact that it has the hinge. It doesn't look like the hinge can be removed, but when you sit it flat, the hinge actually makes it almost sit flat, so it won't rock, which is another cool thing. And then they give you extra strips right here so you can keep the hinge staying on, or the case staying on, so they give you extra strips, which is kind of cool. So I'll put these in here and throw everything else away. Like, but the screen protector, they give you that sleeve right here. You could put that away. Maybe if you want to take it off and put a different one on, you still have the sleeve. So yeah, this is definitely a solid case. It fits really good in the hand. You get a lot of grip on here. There's definitely a lot of grip. I can definitely say this is going to be well protected from drops, so you won't have to worry about dropping it. So it's really nice design, very minimal. The hinge on the side right here, you can see right there, it kind of evens out the bottom so that when you have it on the bottom, it doesn't rock on the surface. So it has those things right here, which will actually sit like feet when you put it on a flat surface. And when you open it up, it's not only going to rock like this, so that won't be too annoying. So it's definitely going to be slim enough, but more or less very protective. So hopefully you guys did find this video helpful for the VRS case, the slim design case. This is the Simpli Fit Crystal. So I'll make sure I leave cheap links down below so you could pick this up for your Z Fold 5. And the spring-loaded hinge is also a really nice feature about this right here, because that thing is very nice when you open it up. It's very sturdy. But that's about it for this video. I'm going to check you guys later. I'm going to get right back with you in the next video. Make sure you hit the like button, type I'm still here so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, crew. Peace.